Hi everyone, welcome back to another Daytona office hours. I'm going to show you what we were working on over the past week and what's coming up. First, let's go through new commits on the main. So the first commit was from our colleague Fabian that changed the labels for audit logs related to creating and revoking sandbox SSH access. The new labels are called create SSH access and revoke SSH access. He also improved the email resolution for the users. So when a user logs in with an email that's different from the one stored in their account, the system now updates it automatically to match the email from authentication provider. And then we have three dependabots dependency bumps. Next, Bruno added optimization for API key caching, so the system doesn't need to check the database every time an API key is validated. Next, Fabian fixed an issue with the labels where the fallback value is now undefined instead of empty object. Next commit was also from Fabian. He updated the permission check for deleting volumes in the dashboard to use correct delete volumes permission. After that, there is my commit. So I refactored the code to remove the legacy proxy URL and the runner domain properties from user-facing DTOs. Since these internal details, these are internal details and shouldn't be exposed in the public API. Next one is also my commit. So here I fixed our TypeScript SDK, where file upload and download and WebSocket functionality didn't work for some TypeScript or JavaScript runtimes like browser and Dino. They failed because they had slightly different protocols and class implementations, and now that is fixed. After that, we have Fabian's commit. He improved sandbox dashboard table, where now you can deliberately omit some of the columns if you don't need them. So it is easier to track all informations. And with some other minor improvements, he also added these copy buttons for informations in sandbox details drawer. After that, I fixed, made a small fix in the SDK client where after stopping and deleting an ephemeral sandbox or deleting any sandbox, we'll now correctly handle 404 response from API and treat it as a valid deleted state. The next one is a commit from by Bruno. Bruno fixed an issue where a child process could remain active even after the session is deleted. Then we have Ivan's improvement where he added a more informative message for users who exceed their quota limits. After that, we have a major optimization for our audit log storage and processing created by Goran. Now we are using OpenSearch, which significantly improves audit log query performance. After that, Ivan created one commit that potentially will recover some of the sandboxes that end up in error state. This is still in a dry run and will probably soon let it run for real. After that, we have some minor fixes on Python SDK that we bumped up lower boundary for URL lib3 library because older versions caused some errors, and TypeScript dynamic require and import functionality. And the last two commits are from Fabian that added the new endpoint for our internal metrics and analysis system, and fixed some dependency injections for one of the decorators. And let's see if there is any new commits. Okay, we have a few new commits that are from Ivan, that when Sandbox is destroyed, we didn't change its backup state to none, and Ivan fixed it now. And here Fabian made one last fix that excludes members page when force redirecting to wallet page. And that's everything from past week. Also, there are a couple more PRs in the working. They're primarily focused on our OSS self-deployment or development environment, like native cross-compile for our computer use and runners. Also, Toma created a PR for cron job scopes, so this will help us to easily group our cron jobs into logical categories, so we can turn on or turn off specific scopes, and also to track it easily in the logs. Also, here is one PR from our community member that added search functionality for snapshots. And there are a few fixes where Sandbox would end up in a starting state and got stuck there. Some dependency bumps, and some compose fixes for OSS self-deployment, and a refactor of hotel metrics and logs from Goran. And I think that's it for this week. Thank you for listening. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask now, or you can contact us on Slack, and see you next week. No questions, okay.